obviously Alaia is known for their craftsmanship. They're known for being a very luxury fashion house. I wanted a really sophisticated wow, I can't even say it, so am I really that? Also, can we talk about the packaging? Like, it's just so gorgeous. It opens up like a trunk, which is absolutely beautiful. You know, I'm getting a little bit older. I didn't want to be bright and crazy in my dress sense that I usually am. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. So I wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit and be more elegant, strip it back, and I wanted a kind of all black look. So I decided to go for these heels. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Alaia unboxing. So I bought a pair of heels from Alaia and I wanted to unbox it with you. I actually ended up buying them for my birthday. I turned the big 31 and I wanted to go through the sizing, price and tell you my thoughts on the brand. But before we get into that video, are you brand new to my channel? In case you don't know, my name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and I talk all things bougie in fashion and all things bougie in beauty. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed to my channel? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I turned 31 and usually I'm really out there with my dressing. I go a little bit over the top. I wanted a really sophisticated wow, I can't even say it, so am I really that? I wanted a sophisticated look for my birthday. You know, I'm getting a little bit older. I didn't want to be bright and crazy in my dress sense that I usually am. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. So I wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit and be more elegant, strip it back, and I wanted a kind of all black look. So I decided to go for these heels. Now, obviously, Alaia is known for their craftsmanship. They're known for being a very luxury fashion house. However, I think with the trend of Kim Kardashian wearing them, the Bombe sandals, that they really kind of opened up to all like fashionistas or celebrity style wannabes, and that's when I kind of knew about the brand. So let me just show you the heels. Also, can we talk about the packaging? Like, it's just so gorgeous. It opens up like a trunk, which is absolutely beautiful. If you don't want to keep the shoes in there, you can always keep like some memorabilia or something cute in there. So yeah, these are my new additions to my shoe collection. I'm so glad that I got these. These are a staple heel to have in your wardrobe. They're absolutely beautiful. They look stunning on. The lining is leather and it's so soft that it's so comfortable. I remember seeing these in store and I was thinking, because of the studs, are they comfortable? But actually, because of the leather lining is so soft, you don't actually feel the detail of the studs and this kind of button like shape when it's sitting on the foot. You don't feel it at all. They're so comfortable. I do have foot problems. I'm getting a slight bunion, so now I'm really being careful of the shoes that I choose because it will affect my feet. And I would say my go-to comfortable heels are my Valentino rock studs, and these are even way more comfortable than them, which I cannot believe because I find those shoes so comfortable. But yeah, they're just amazing. And these ones are suede. I was wearing them on my birthday and I literally walked so freely. I think after about an hour or two your feet do start to hurt when you're wearing heels, but I didn't feel nothing. And I only had one glass of wine, so it wasn't like the alcohol was just like taking away the pain. They're so comfortable and they're very well made. The only issue I would say is in these heels I should have definitely taken half a size down. I am a 36 and I bought these in a 36, but actually I've tried on another pair and I should have taken half a size down, but too late now. I'm wearing them. They still fit. It's not like a huge difference. It's only half a size, but I would recommend if you're going to buy them to take half a size down. Just a quick announcement before I continue. Have you liked this video? Because it really helps with the algorithm on YouTube and I'll love it if you can like it. That way I can produce more content for you. And the price point of these were, I think, 890 or 790. I'll leave it down below so you can see. But I just think that getting these in a black color is just a classic style. It's never gonna date, it's always gonna be there, and I'm really happy with my purchase, to be honest. In terms of cleaning them, I would say probably take a suede brush. I haven't had to do much, I only wore them once for my birthday, and the only thing I did was just dust it off with a cloth. I will get a suede brush to ensure that it stays intact. These are also made in Italy, and you know what they say about things being made in Italy, the craftsmanship is unmatched. Yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase, guys. Have you guys got some Alaias? What do you think of the brand, or are you thinking of buying into them? I have ordered another pair of these and a pair of boots, which I was meant to go and pick them up today, but to be honest, I really can't be asked, so I won't be doing that. But yeah, let's see how I style them on my birthday.
So as I mentioned previously, I wanted to go with a very classic, elegant all black look and then just have a pop of color. So I paired the Alaias with this silk maxi dress. This dress, guys, is incredibly beautiful. I think this is such a classic staple dress that I can wear forever. I've actually had it for a long time, but I've never worn it. It's from Nili Lowton, and she is a New York Israeli designer. I just love anything she creates, but it is a little bit on the pricey side. But if you are interested, I will place the links down below. I then placed a black blazer on top of it just to complete the look, and I added my Valentino micro rock stud bag just to give it a pop of color, some chandelier earrings, and a red lip just to complete the elegant look. I think altogether this whole look is very elegant, very classy, which is what I was going for. And I feel like at 31, this is the type of vibes I'm definitely going for. What do you guys think of this outfit? Do I look elegant? Do you like it? Or not really.
So guys, that is it. I've told you how to style them, how to clean them, the fit, and how comfortable they are. So yeah, I think that's all. But if you like this video, want to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video, want to share it. As also, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can purchase these bad boy shoes from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.